Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set app lock on Textme. So let's get started. First, launch open your Textme application. Tap on the Me option at the bottom right. Then this page is going to show up. Scroll down a little and then select Security option, which is under Settings. To set app lock on Textme, enable in-app lock option. Now enter your security code. Re-enter your passcode. And this is how you can set app lock on Textme. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.